Hi, in this video we're going to cover the topic of how to use a projector remote control to work with your Epson projector. So it's very straightforward. Now this particular remote control can work with almost any projector that's on the marketplace, but in this particular one we're going to cover the topic of Epson, probably because it's in the top 2 or 3 most common projectors used in Britain and Ireland. So the first thing to note is the design of the remote, and we need 2 AAA batteries on the back. And the other thing we'll need as part of this is we need a list of the codes that are and the steps for each different type of projector that's on the marketplace. So this is found on our website and also in very small print on the back of the remote control itself. So the very first step, regardless of which brand of projector you're working with, is to come along here and follow the step, which is to hold the set and the mute button together and hold it for 3 seconds, and it'll flash 3 times, you release it, and now this is in a programmable mode. Now you'll actually notice when you look at the list on the website or on the back of the remote, there's a number of different options given for programming up Epson remotes, and the reason that there's a number of different options is simply because there's a lot of Epson products on the market, so you know, certain models are attached to different programmable modes. So the 3 options that are given, the first one is said, come along and press the set and the off button. So set and off. It flashes 3 times, I release it, and now I try to bring up the menu and it won't work. So I know that's not the right code. So now I come along and I know the next option from looking at the sheet here is the set and the RGB button. And again, it flashes 3 times. I release it, and now I'll hit the menu button again, and it brings up the menu. So now we know we have one that works, and now it's saved. We don't have to do any further steps, so we can just go on with our next remote control, program it for the next thing. So once you have this equipped, access to our website or the instructions on the back, you can come along and you can literally program up remote controls in the space of probably about 60 seconds. So very straightforward process. Great quality remote, works lovely with it, low cost shipping, and you now have a remote that will work virtually 98% of all projectors in the Irish and UK market.